In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to Cloudflare. We'll go step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it and what to expect along the way. First, make sure you're already logged into both your Namecheap account and your Cloudflare account in separate browser tabs. On Namecheap, you should be on your main dashboard where you can see your list of domains. On Cloudflare, you should have already added your domain so that Cloudflare has scanned your DNS records and given you the new name servers assigned to your domain. We'll need those name servers in just a moment. Now, let's start on the Namecheap side. From your Namecheap dashboard, go to the domain list. This is where all the domains you own on Namecheap are displayed. Look through this list and find the domain that you want to use with Cloudflare. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that domain row and click on the Manage option. That will open the domain management page specifically for that domain. On the management page, you'll see several sections for things like domain details, sharing and transfer, and so on. What you're looking for is the name servers section. This is important because name servers are what tell the internet which service is responsible for handling DNS for your domain. Right now, it's probably set to use Namecheap's default name servers or possibly some custom ones you added earlier. In the name servers section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and change it to custom DNS. And this tells Namecheap that you're going to provide your own name servers rather than using theirs. As soon as you switch to custom DNS, you'll see fields where you can type in the name server addresses. Now switch over to your Cloudflare tab. When you added your domain to Cloudflare, it provided you with two Cloudflare name servers. They'll look something like uniqueword.ns.cloudflare.com and another similar one. Select and copy the first Cloudflare name server, then go back to the Namecheap tab and paste it into the first name server field. Then repeat that process for the second Cloudflare name server, pasting it into the second field. Be very careful to copy and paste the name servers exactly as Cloudflare shows them. Even a small typo or an extra space can cause your DNS to stop working correctly, which might make your website temporarily unreachable. Taking an extra second to double check the spelling is worth it. Once both Cloudflare name servers are entered in the custom DNS fields, look for the green checkmark icon on the right side of the name servers section. Click that green checkmark to save your changes. Namecheap will then update your domain to start using Cloudflare's name servers. After you've saved, the change doesn't happen instantly across the entire internet. Name server updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 or even 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, though it often happens much faster. During this time, Cloudflare will periodically check if your name servers have been updated. On your Cloudflare dashboard, you'll eventually see a confirmation that your domain is now active on Cloudflare once the change has fully taken effect. And that's it. You've gone from your Namecheap domain list, opened the Manage page, found the name server section, switched to custom DNS, entered the two Cloudflare name servers, and clicked the green check mark to save. Once propagation completes, Cloudflare will be in charge of your DNS, and you'll be able to use all of Cloudflare's features with your domain.